We've all had days where we've drank a little too much, right? You poor, suffering bastard. Welcome back. Today, we're creating the Suffering Bastard. Now, what is a suffering bastard? Let me take you back to World War II. During World War II, especially in Africa, in North Africa, you had the Africa Corps, run by Rommel. Well, as allies were fighting Rommel and preventing him from acquiring oil, soldiers would be deployed in and out of Cairo, Egypt. That's where this drink originates, from the Shepheard's Hotel bar in Cairo, by a bartender named Joe Scialom. I believe that's how it's pronounced. If I just butchered it, I do apologize. He was looking for a hangover remedy. Now, one of the ideas that you may hear is, well, how about have a bit of the hair of the dog that bit you? Okay, it could be a valid argument, but it really depends, truth be told. So he was formulating this, and one day a soldier finally just went up to Joe and said, "Could you find something to get this hangover away from me?" And so the bartender took this idea and he ran with it, and he named it the Suffering Bastard. Never had it. It utilizes a split base of spirit. Instead of just 2 ounces of one spirit, it's an ounce of two spirits, most notably bourbon and gin. Let's make it. It's a shaken cocktail, which of course means grab your shaker. Funny how that works. Go put this over here. Need a lime, slice that thing right on through. And I need a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I need 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. With the dash start, it actually thins it out. It's going to be 3 with the dash start. And now for the hard stuff, I need bourbon. What do I use? Really anything. I would try to keep it a little bit higher proof to stand up to everything else. So, do I go bottled and bond? No. This time I'm reaching for, well, an old reliable Buffalo Trace. So I need an ounce of bourbon. And now London Dry Gin. I'm reaching for Tanqueray. An ounce of gin. You know what's next, guys. Okay. Ice in. Cocktail pop. Make sure we're tempered. Go. Now for glassware. Grab yourself a Collins glass and a Collins spear. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, by the way, check down below. There's a link to kit.co. Has everything I utilize. It's also affiliate links. You know what that means. Now that's taken care of, Hawthorne in. Now I'm going to double strain for clarity. And now I need ginger beer. You can use any ginger beer that you want. It could be Cock and Bull, could be Gosling's, could be any ginger beer that you want. Pour off the ice, straw down, and this is a Suffering Bastard. Cheers. That's delicious. That is delicious. Caught ya. The gin, the ginger beer, the lime, just it all plays well. You have a little bit of the sweetness coming in from the ginger beer, and also a little bit of sweetness coming from the whiskey, especially the bourbon, because for those that know bourbon, it's at least 51% corn and slightly sweeter than other whiskeys out there. But this is a delicious cocktail. This is very nice. It's a nice, easy sipper, especially because it was in Cairo, Egypt, and Cairo gets hot. You know, so coming back from facing the Africa Corps, coming back, and then, you know, being able to rest and recuperate, having one of these, especially in the hot summer sun during World War II, No, this is a good cocktail. This is a good drink. Do I think that this would be a good hangover remedy? Probably not, because honestly, hangovers are best treated with like a sports drink like Gatorade or water and just time. But the adage of hair of the dog that bit you, this can work. If you like the video, please, of course, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share, please, as always. Again, if you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, check below to a link to kit.co, which houses everything I utilize. And it's Amazon affiliate links, which you know what that means. Please check out my socials down in the description below as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.